Now make we join our people for inside Pidgin News Network commentary box to touchlight as see the shell for countries.
Pidgin News commentary box. Now they come so my people now man on the street be this. Una welcome to the world match. This now the world stadium all day and the match now between the world and the people where they inside. 17 minutes to half time. Now so we see that linesman when name na quarantine. He raise flag up. Wait till they happen. He say Access Bank say he won't cut worker salary. Now we say wait till 9 fast begin they shall say no, it's not supposed to be like that. Now Lagos State hear the matter. Now they say because of this everybody where they do white collar job, biro work, paper work, he say gonna resume work on Monday. As the match they work out, they go, my people. Now some people can't talk say true and Corona expose Nigeria education. Say Nigeria education now only one leg. Now they take waka. Now because of this, now federal government come begin beg. Say I beg. It be like say we go begin treat people for their house. So because the bed we will get to take treat people for Coro, say we no get enough bed again. As the match they work out, they go. Still our government come begin beg some people will get level for this country. Say I beg. Mokuna can't help us come on malaria for this stadium. Say malaria hold on too much. When the coach come make changes. He said, we could bring some new players coming. Now, since the Cross River State just come out 4.5 billion inside council money, so they want to use and arrange new airport for Obudu. And now we say we could try bend window, we could see what they happen for outside the world. As we touchlight South Africa, now we hear say they don't match break for this their lockdown matter. It no finish for there as the ball go over the bar. Now China talk say I beg me World Health Organization day their day. Why they won't come find out where they born Corona? Say me then day their day. As we say we could see bend down again to touchlight. Waiting they happen for inside United States of America. Now we hear say within 3 days, Coro don't buy over 2,000 people. Oh, now we say Coro, but why? Coro, but why? As the match remained 24 minutes ago. Now so we hear say Coro don't buy one full family. Papa, mama, and Pikin. Oh, Coro, why are you behaving like this? Coro, why are you behaving like this? And so fans they shout. As far as they shout for the matter, and so we just see breeze just blow from nowhere, just scatter that place where they treat people who get Coro for Qatar. Hey, now we know say the matter, they don't enter gear 2. As the match done the patch power, now our Super Eagles coach can't talk say, as the matter they be like this, he be like say he go take any condition where NFF give him. He not finish for there as he they talk now. Aguero shot from back. Aguero say, "Oga, collect the condition." Though he said because players now they don't want to come back to come play ball because of the fear of Coro. 10 minutes as the match on waka. Now we can see Anthony Joshua and Tyson Fury come sit down for one corner. They talk about the big money where they for that fight where they want to do. Now so Amadou beginning come stay from far, come look their content and say, when I go wait to, we need to take advice from federal government and even FIFA to know whether we go see the play ball or not. He not finish for there. As he they talk, now the president of La Liga, when they not Tibas come tell and say, Amadou, if you worry boy now, no you pro, no worry. We say we they look into the matter. Now and June, we go resume. Now so Bele comes with our coach, our Super Eagles coach, because talk say, because of this, I don't free my 3-month alawi to take fight Coro matter. My people, this now Pidgin News commentary box. Now man on the street be this.